I'm Goose.
I'm Logan.
And we're at Temblor Brewing Company. So we're here at Temblor Brewing Company in Bakersfield, right next to the Boulevard where we did a video just a few months ago. This is a pretty cool place. It's a restaurant. It is a brewery. They do brew their own beer. They do offer tours. They have shows here. So we're just going to come in here and check out some of the food, and maybe I'll have a little bit of beer and show you the place around. Let's go. I've got to tell you, they have beer clubs here. They have one, it's a Megalodon Club, $80 annually. They have one, it's a Shark Tooth Society, it's $250 annually. And then they have the Temblor Sea of Beers for $600 annually. These are different beer clubs you belong to and have different stuff. Go check out their website. Basically, the best way I can describe it, because they get different stuff for different tiers of the club. So like this one over here, the $600 one, redeem 20 draft pours per month. Basically that's 3 a day. Can be paired with a Megalodon Club or a Shark Tooth Society membership. This is pretty cool. So
beer family treat.
A beer family treat.
Different types of beer.
Really? So they start out with either beer or with ale or lager. Lager or ale. And then it kind of branches out that way.
The different specific types.
Huh. So they told us just to go have a seat, and then also we walk over here. And this is the giant. What would you say it is, Logan?
A beer family treat.
A beer family. On a wall. There's lager. There's ale. We take a look at the menu first. Today is Thursday, so they're giving us a Thursday special. Today is the Thursday slider flight, which is either chicken schnitzel, pulled chicken, or the classics. There's a slider and beer flight. That's actually pretty good. And the flight of the week, which is like different types of beers.
Oh, and it's happy hour, so they got the $2 off headliner beers, $1 off seasonal beers, as well as I think their happy hour specials.
Happy hour special. It is happy hour
because it is Thursday today, and it is between 2 and 6 o'clock.
Yep. So some of the starters: the giant soft pretzel, chickaroonies, chicken wings, of course, beer batter, artichoke hearts. Oh my gosh, that sounds pretty good. They got a kids menu. I don't know. We're not 12 and under, so. Salads over here, salsa chicken salad, steak and blue, chicken and green apple. Huh. Here the happy hour. The happy hour is Sunday and Monday all day, and Tuesday through Thursday 2 to 6. So they got ballpark nachos, loaded fries, pulled pork sliders. Let's look over here on the other side of the menu. Ooh, build your own burger. Tyler, I think, would like have. I don't know. I think he would kind of get lost with trying to build his own burger.
Yeah.
But the steakhouse, the California. Here's one. Choose your meats. Temblor signature beef, chicken breast, local revolution wagyu beef. Ooh, and the impossible, which I never understand. I don't know what's so impossible about making a burger. It's the headliners over here. Beer batter chicken tenders, a brat dog. Ooh. Pulled pork sandwich, prime rib French dip. That sounds good. Some drinks: Stepping Stone, root beer, soda fountain, some desserts. Oh look, they got a beer float. I don't have to come back.
Like what you got out of Moo Creamery.
Yeah, all those times ago. Yeah, but I won't be able to get a beer float today because I gotta drive.
Yeah.
So we're gonna figure out what we want on the menu. We'll be right back with you.
So we just got our drinks. I was looking at the menu. They said they got a house brewed root beer, so I decided to try that. That's what we got right here. And you got a regular beer.
I got, well, not regular beer, it's the electric pineapple. It's a pineapple flavored lager.
Huh.
So I thought I'd give it a try. It's because it's happy hour, it gets $1 off some of the signature beers here, so I'm gonna just. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Taste the pineapple?
It's really good. It's got a good bite to it. It's a lot like maybe I want to say like a dark beer, a lot more flavor, and you can definitely taste the pineapple.
Huh.
So.
And so we also just ordered our food, so once we get that,
It
we'll
should
be
be
right back.
coming real soon. So I gotta ask, how's the root beer?
It's really good.
It's good?
Yeah, I thought it was cool how it came in like a stein instead of just like a cup. You get soda at like pretty much every restaurant.
I know. I thought that
First
was
off, when I
cool.
saw that, I was like, nice. And plus,
And then it was funny when I ordered it, she was like, "Oh, does he want the regular root beer, or does he want the float?" And I went, I think he.
I didn't know they had that. I didn't know they had
root beer
float.
Yeah.
I knew they had a beer float, but I didn't see root beer float. Oh, there it is, Stepping Stone root beer float. I didn't see that. But I just wanted the root beer.
So, good?
Very good.
So we got our ballpark nachos. This looks like it's just pretty simple, like a couple of cheese.
Nachos, we got the cheese, jalapenos, and onions.
Right, and the chips. So, looks like it's nothing fancy, but we're gonna dig in.
Get a jalapeno.
You get that pepper?
Simple, but it's really good.
Yeah, these are really good. We think what I thought was cheese. I think is that earthquake sauce we were talking about.
Yeah, because it says it has beer cheese and earthquake sauce on it.
The beer cheese is pretty good. It's nice.
Or maybe
thick.
That's the beer cheese, and this stuff like over here is the earthquake sauce.
But the beer cheese is pretty good. Nice and thick. Uh oh, here it comes. Woohoo!
You guys got the beer brat, right?
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at that bad boy.
Awesome.
All right, do we need anything else? Or you guys all set?
I think we're good.
We're good.
This looks really good.
Perfect. You guys enjoy.
Thank you.
That looks really good, Logan. You got, what did you get?
It was the Carolina burger. It has a black pepper crusted patty, pepper jack, fried onions, jalapenos, lettuce, tomato, and Carolina Gold barbecue sauce.
And what did you get with that? You got
The fries. And with the Build Your Burger, the meat I got was the local Revolution Wagyu.
Wagyu beef. I got over here, I got the brat. Yeah, with the beer cheese, and again, just some fries. This looks really good again. As I was saying about these nachos, they're really good. They're just spicy enough where it's a good kick to them, and they're messy enough to be nachos. The beer cheese is nice, good, thick, and flavorful. Like I said, simple nachos, but they're good.
I'll give you a look inside there. For
Nice.
first bite. Here goes. Oh, really good.
Good. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. That looks tasty.
It is. You're about to try your brat dog.
Brat dog, look at this. Look at that bad boy.
That is bratwurst with the beer cheese.
Yep. The brat dog. Oh my god.
Is that good?
This is so good. Oh. Now, one of the things I gotta be able to tell you is that a brat dog is not like a regular hot dog. For those of you who don't know, brat is like a big sausage. Big, spicy German sausage. Good. Let me show you some of the, there are the peppers, there's the sausage, the cheese, the mustard, all of that. It's on a big old hoagie roll. These fries are really good. This is really tasty. This was something exactly, it's up my, no pun intended, up my ballpark.
Uh-huh.
How's your burger so far?
It's delicious.
just delicious.
I only had a couple bites, so I've mainly been eating the fries. They're also really good. Nice, well seasoned, crispy. They don't bend when you pick them up, so they're not soggy. And that's one of the best parts.
Yeah.
But
Now the Wagyu beef, I guess, is $2 extra. But
I just figured we had those Wagyu burgers at Hi-Ho Cheeseburger, and those were amazing. So I figured I'm gonna get another Wagyu burger.
and this is what else is on this? It's a black pepper.
The black pepper dressing patties, fried onions, and the jalapenos.
Oh my gosh! You had the jalapenos on the nachos,
barbecue
and now you got the jalapenos on the hamburger.
I haven't tasted a whole lot of spice on the burger though. Maybe I just haven't hit the jalapenos yet, or what? But
Good.
we'll see. Oh yeah.
You getting the spice now?
Yes. Once I got it, I sneezed like 3 times.
Well, I knew it hit you because you just grabbed your root beer and like started chugging it. I need something to drink.
I mean, it's still not overwhelmingly spicy. Or it's like a good balance between not spicy and then too spicy, you know?
Yeah.
It's really good.
That's good. That's good. Wanted to give you one last look at my brat dog. And just look at that sausage. That meat is so delicious. The peppers and the interesting. The beer cheese does not come with the brat dog. It's $1 extra, but it's worth the $1 to put on it. It is really good. Logan is just about done with his burger.
One last look.
Oh my gosh! Look
You
at
can
that.
see some of the jalapenos.
They put them in the middle.
Yeah. That's why it took me a while to get the spice.
But here comes that coma. I can see it going.
Oh yeah. I'm almost there.
That was good.
That was.
good. We'd never been here before, and we'd always wanted to try and come on over here and try this place out. And this food does not.
It was delicious.
It does not disappoint.
disappoint.
Does not disappoint. I'll give you a few things again about some of the other things about Temblor Brewing Company. They also have an open mic night every Wednesday night. You want to come and try your skills at song or comedy. They do have some comedy shows. They do have shows, bigger shows they have in the back where they sell tickets. So this isn't just a little restaurant and brewing company.
I think they also host trivia nights. I can't remember what day of the week.
So this is a good place to come to for friends and family and to hang out and get some really good food.
Yeah.
And some really good beer because they got a lot of good beer on tap. So Logan, if they want to check us out anywhere else, where they go?
If you want to find us all our social medias, you can find us at withkoji.com/@travelbynature. There you can find links to all our social medias. Our Twitters for On the Show and Wrestling Boys, our Instagram page for Travel by Nature, our Twitter page, and our TikToks. And we have an Ask Us Anything.
And ask us anything.
Ask Us Anything page. And we also have a tip jar. If you're feeling so generous.
If you feel so generous. If they want to help out the channel, what would they do?
You can hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share to your friends.
Share it out to your friends. Leave us a comment. Makes us smile. From here at Temblor Brewing Company, Bakersfield, California, I'm Goose.
I'm Logan.
This is Travel by Nature. Thank you for watching.